Here's problem 2824. In the figure, if I is equal to 30 milliamps, determine the magnitude and sense, the direction of, the current in the 500 ohm resistor. Okay, we could solve this problem. We have 3 batteries actually, and they're already marked. So we have positive, negative here, positive, negative here, positive, negative here. We're told what this current is, so let's call this I3 over here, and that is equal to 30 milliamps, which would be 0.03 amps. And if we were to mark our other currents going with our battery directions, we would have a I2 that's coming like so, going through this resistor, and then we'd have a I1 coming around like this and going through this resistor over here. Just assuming, if we assume wrong for the sense of this direction of I1, we'll come up with a negative answer, and then we know that the direction was actually the opposite direction. So we just assume something and see how it comes out. Okay, given this, it would be true that I1 would be equal to I2 plus I3, because in this top junction, I1 is going in, I2 and I3 are coming out in this junction right up here. Okay, but we know what I3 is, so if we can get I1 in terms of I3, then we can get I1 immediately. And we know we can get I1 in terms of I3 if we do the outer loop. So let's do that. So let's just look at the outer loop and start someplace and walk our way around. So we're going to have a negative 30 plus 500 I1, then minus 10, and I didn't mark this resistor down here, but it'll be plus 400 I3 equals 0. Alright, solve this for I1. So we have 500 I1 is equal to 40 minus 400 I3. So 500 I1 equals 40 minus 400 times 0.03. 400 times 0.03 is 12. So this is equal to 40 minus 12, or 28. So in other words, I1 is equal to 28 divided by 500, which I could write as 56 divided by 1,000, which is 56,000 or 56 milliamps, or 0.056 amps. So 56 milliamps is I1, and since that came out positive, that means that I assume the correct direction of going left to right through that resistor. So we have a current of 56 milliamps going left to right through that resistor, and that is the magnitude and sense of that current.